Then we had to go and help Mick Hucknall turn on the Christmas lights, as you do, normal, totally normal. And then we were all backstage. Mick Hucknall's there. Snap, Crackle, and Pop. I think I was Crackle. Might have been Pop. Can't remember. Possibly Snap. And we're walking on, and Mick Hucknall runs rounds of applause. And then as we're walking on, the stage manager goes, "Don't forget to duck before you walk on stage, because there's that bit of scaffolding there." He's doing a little health and safety thing as we run on. Duck as you go on, because blah, blah, blah. And I just thought, well, I'm a short ass. I've never had to duck for anything.
No, I
Do you know what I mean?
problem.
So I just didn't really think about it. Ran on. What I forgot was I had a big Snap, Crackle, Pop head on.
You've probably got an extra foot at least.
You've got at least.
At least.
And I ran onto stage, hit this bar, my head fell off. And it's one of the most surreal moments of my life is Mick Hucknall's there going, "Something's got me started," whatever. And I'm running across the stage, chasing my head behind Mick Hucknall. And I look up and I see on the big screen me chasing after my head with Mick Hucknall trying to. I mean, basically, I sabotaged Mick Hucknall's set.
Did Mick have a reaction to this, or did he? Was he too in the moment?
He was too in the moment. He was in a crooning moment there.